Start with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. My name is Baitullah and my father name is Muhammad Munir. I study in Jamia Rahimia Osenia. Good evening, honorable guest and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to share my feeling about a very happy Independence Day. Pakistan got independent on 14th August 1947. We Pakistanis celebrate independence on 14th August of every year. We celebrate this day with great happiness. Thousands of brave freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to get freedom from British rule. Due to these freedom fighters and brave heroes, we are living a happy life. We must perform all our duties as a responsible citizen and support country's development. Let us all pledge today to work hard and make our country the strongest, powerful, developed in the world. Thank you so much. Nare Takbir! Nare Takbir! पाकिस्तान 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 का मतलब क्या? पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या?